2005 Ecoboost Mustang.
So back in the day, Nana had a Ford Fairlane, and I believe it was totaled out. She wanted to get another Ford, and she wanted a sports car. So Houdini was actually purchased because Nana wanted another Ford later on, the sports car. Of course, they don't have the Fairlane, so this is what she wanted, was that 2000 Mustang GT. She bought it new off the lot. That was 25 years ago that she did that. And Hasty and I wanted to kind of recreate the photos a little bit, so we did that. And so this is 25 years later. I'm getting my dream Ford, and it is perfect. The Night Pony Edition is everything. It's got the grabber blue exterior like I wanted, and then it's got all the blacked out touches. Mirrors, the roof, the trunk has the spoiler on there that's blacked out, the emblems, the bezels on the headlights, everything is all black, everything. I love it. This car is named Lucifer, and this is my baby, and I'm so excited for you guys to see it in person. I've literally got cold chills driving this car. Oh, I love it so much.
Thank you guys for being here today. We'll see y'all later. Bye.